The idea of the Audi RS6 Avant GT goes back to the apprentice project RS6 GTO concept from 2020. 12 apprentices learning to work as bodywork and vehicle construction mechanics, automotive painters, and tooling mechanics, worked on the project for 6 months with the support of Audi Design. They took most of their inspiration from the legendary Audi 90 Quattro IMSA GTO race car from 1989. The single-frame grille and air intakes of the RS6 Avant GT are finished entirely in high-gloss black, which makes the car appear even lower and wider. Vertical blades in the front apron, a new intake grille and a powerful front splitter integrated into the bumper enhance the sharpened look. For the first time, Audi Sport GmbH is not only using a fully redesigned hood, but is also manufacturing it from carbon fiber. Like the hood, the fenders are made entirely of carbon fiber for the first time, integrating air outlets behind the 22-inch wheels to reduce air pressure in the wheel arch and improve brake cooling. The side profile is defined by inserts in the side skirts, exterior mirror covers in glossy carbon, and the 6-spoke wheel design made exclusively for the RS6 Avant GT. At the rear, this special edition features black RS6 GT lettering, a tailgate specially adapted to the design with a visually lowered loading edge, and a functional diffuser with a vertically centered reflector that makes the car appear even wider. The distinctive double-wing pass-through spoiler was inspired by motorsport and taken almost one-to-one from the Apprentice's concept car. For the first time in the history of the RS6 Avant, the roof rails have been removed for an even flatter, sportier silhouette. The roof rail delete, ceramic brakes and carbon fiber components all help contribute to a roughly 40-kilogram weight reduction when compared to the RS6 Avant performance, contributing to its 0.1 second quicker 0 to 60 miles per hour time. The prodigious output of the 4-liter biturbo TFSI registered trademark V8 is applied to the permanent quattro registered trademark all-wheel drive via the standard 8-speed Tiptronic gearbox with optimized shift times. Like the RS6 Avant Performance, the RS6 Avant GT uses the latest version of the locking center differential. Particularly light and compact, it distributes engine power to the front and rear axles at a ratio of 40:60. If slippage occurs, more drive torque is automatically applied to the axle with better traction. Up to 70% can flow to the front axle and up to 85% to the rear axle. The reworked center differential improves driving dynamics, ensures noticeably more precise cornering, and makes for less understeer at the limit. To further distinguish the special edition from other RS models, the Quattro Sport differential on the rear axle has been specially tuned for the RS6 Avant GT. The new parameters focus on greater agility and rear bias in the dynamic driving mode. Customers benefit from sporty, neutral, and highly precise handling. For the first time, and only for the RS6 Avant GT, adjustable coilover suspension comes as standard. In its standard setting, it lowers the ride height by 10 mm compared to the RS6 Avant, and offers the appealing combination of dynamic agility and comfort. A higher spring rate, triple adjustable dampers and stiffer stabilizers, 30% stiffer at the front and 80% at the rear, ensure less body roll, which once again significantly increases performance. The necessary tools and instructions for making individual adjustments are also included. The high-performance 285/30R22 Continental Sport Contact 7 tires ensure the necessary grip for enthusiastic driving. The tires offer consistently better road holding under both dry and wet conditions, and reduce understeer when cornering at speed, making for overall, more precise handling across the entire speed range. Unlike the regular RS6 Avant, the limited edition RS6 Avant GT is not entirely assembled on the production line in Neckarsulm. After passing through the body construction works and painting shop, the RS6 Avant GT heads to Bollinger-Hof for final assembly, where models such as the Audi R8 were assembled, and the RS e-tron GT is currently built in small series production. Located near Audi's production site in Neckarsulm, this highly flexible facility is unique within the group and provides the best conditions for completing each RS6 Avant GT build. Final assembly of each vehicle is carried out by 7 experienced employees at 3 assembly stations, set up especially for this exclusive special edition, spending an entire day on site. All GT-specific features are fitted by hand to each of the 660 RS6 Avant GT models in the global production run. This process includes the specific fitment of the hood, fenders, rocker panels, double wing, the front and rear aprons, and the adjustable coilover suspension. The Audi RS6 Avant GT is a testament to the innovative spirit and craftsmanship of Audi. With its unique design, advanced performance features and meticulous production process, it stands out as a remarkable achievement in automotive engineering. This limited edition model not only pays homage to its legendary predecessors, but also sets a new standard for future generations of high-performance vehicles.